Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to unclog your kitchen sink. If you have a clogged kitchen sink, I have a natural remedy for you that won't harm your pipes and it will work wonders. You need only two ingredients that you probably already have in your home: baking soda and vinegar. First, empty the water in the sink with a sponge if there is any. Put approximately 1 cup of baking soda down the sink drain. Add some vinegar to bubble up and keep adding vinegar from time to time until you see it's not bubbling up anymore. This method will remove hair, dirt, dust, bacteria, germs, mold, soap scum from the drain. So not only it will unclog the drain, but it will also clean it and disinfect it. Pour some boiling water so all that gunk melts for good. In the end, run hot tap water for 5 minutes and that's it. Your drain is unclogged, clean, disinfected and deodorized. I always use this method when I deep clean my sink, even if it's not clogged up. It helps keeping your drain clean, disinfected and bad odor free. Please let me know in the comments below how often do you clean your kitchen's drain. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!